everyone. This is my solution presentation for the opening showcase from Darkness to Light Coral Survival Challenges. Problem statement. Artificial light pollution disrupts nighttime coral spawning and harms coral health, increasing competition from algae. Effective strategies are needed to reduce this interference and protect coral ecosystems. Key statistics. LED survivorship. Corals under LED light had 24% survivorship after 1 year with 30% mineral settlement success and significantly faster growth than those in controlled conditions. Iceberg model. To simplify the iceberg model, it shows while the project focuses on reducing light pollution's impact on coral reefs through technology and awareness, underlying issues like urban expansion, lack of awareness, and insufficient regulations complicate these efforts. Addressing these deeper causes is crucial for lasting success. So here's my solution to address this problem. I created a DIY coral reef model with RGB LED lights controlled by an ESP32 to study artificial light pollution's effect on corals. The ESP32 allows light control via a local web page exploring impacts on spawning and mitigation techniques. The ESP32 creates a local access point allowing users to connect to a control page, where they can adjust the lighting settings and view an informational page on coral reefs. The house's LED lights are connected to the relay module, which in return is controlled by the ESP32. The RGB LED lights are directly wired to the ESP32, and the supplies that were used were 12 volt for the relay module and 5 volt for the RGB LEDs, ensuring that the different components receive appropriate power levels. So you can see we can turn off the normal lights and turn on the safe lights for the corals. Supplies that were used. I gathered supplies such as cardboard, house puzzles, straws, paper pieces, and tree branches, and wired the 4 house LED lights to the relay module and connected the module to the ESP32. And connected 5 RGB LED lights directly to the ESP32 and integrated a 12 volt power source for the relay module and 5 volt source for the RGB lights, and developed the ESP32 code to control the relays and RGB lights, and programmed the ESP32 to establish a Wi-Fi access point serving a control page and an informative coral reef page. This is the local web page that we can control the main coral reef model from using different RGB LEDs like red, green, and blue, and can adjust the brightness of our lightings. And the other part is to control the relay system, switching from normal lights and safe lights for the corals. Here are some photos from the process when the model was halfway done. And here are some additional photos of the model. Key skills and mindsets. I learned more about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and C++ for web and microcontroller programming, and I gained some knowledge of circuit design and integration with the ESP32 and LEDs as well, and it enhanced my troubleshooting and iterative design abilities as well. Reflections. This journey really boosted my commitment to conservation and made me more resilient and proactive. And I ran into some technical issues with the ESP32 and circuits, but after some research and practice, I figured it out. And I think this project could inspire communities to be more aware of light pollution and adopt sustainable practices, helping to protect our coral reefs. Here are some references that I used. And here's a photo of the starfish that was used in the coral reef model. That will be the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.